NCB, we are getting to know in the drug angle investigation that it is conducting, it will be questioning nearly 20 people who are suspects for drugs in Sushant Singh Rajput case, including the peddler that we are talking about, Gaurav Arya, which the NCB team is already on a lookout for. So it is just the beginning. It is just the beginning of a drug racket that is being exposed and being looked into thoroughly by the NCB, a team that has already arrived from Delhi to Mumbai and conducting its investigation with its Mumbai Unit 2. Now what we are getting to know that the Narcotics Control Bureau will be questioning nearly 20 suspects in the case which is related to Sushant Singh Rajput, including Gaurav Arya, the alleged drug peddler whose name surfaced in Ria's chats, in WhatsApp chats. Now, more details that are coming in on the different angles that are being probed, because Ria couldn't be just one-off person who was handling this entire drug mafia. It would be more. So it is just the beginning of a bigger racket that will be exposed, and the investigation that has already been started by the NCB. Shantashri, throw more light on this. So it is just not one person, but 19 others also being investigated upon. 20 suspects we are getting to know.
Amita, from the very first day, it was known that Sushant was aware of a lot of things, lot of conspiracy that was going, that was going on, not only in Bollywood, but also inside his house. So definitely that is one of the reasons that he has been brutally murdered. That's why these are the suspects that are coming out right now.
Shantashri, stay on with us. Aishwarya Kapoor is with us on the phone line, so he will give us more details on the drug racket mafia that is being exposed and investigated by the NCB. Gaurav Arya, drug peddler's name was already being investigated upon. Aishwarya, 19 others suspects that we are getting to know more will be investigated.
Well, at this point of time, we are being clearly told by our sources that here NCB team, which is still in Delhi, is going to interrogate 20 people. We are being told there are 20 suspects for drugs in the whole Sushant Singh Rajput case, and this includes people in Goa, people in Mumbai. But then out of these 20 people, we are being told there are 2 who have been captured with narcotic substance back in 2018, first by the Navi Mumbai police, and then by 2018 by the anti-narcotic cell of the Mumbai police with cocaine and with LSD. So these are all banned substances with which 2 of these 20 have been arrested. There is a huge nexus which is being busted as we speak, and 20 names are right now coming out. And our sources confirm that this is going to begin within this week itself. There was earlier in the day info coming in that that team has reached Goa. We are being told that there is a Maharashtra Police anti-narcotic cell unit in Goa, which is active as we speak. But simultaneously, what we are also being told that it is the Delhi NCB team which is going to be landing soon enough. But yes, these are those 20 individuals who can be questioned. And out of these 20, 2 are those who have been in the custody of the Mumbai police for banned substances, for active drugs. And this is something which really raises the whole question on this nexus. Now names are coming out which include this very name of the supposed drug peddler in Goa as well, and so are the other individuals. There are more names which are now propping up, and all of these are set to be in this circle of the Sushant Singh Rajput, that how we saw those chats yesterday, that how he has been forced drugs. So yes, all of this nexus is now being cracked up. NCB getting active, 20 names coming out of which 2, we are being clearly told by our sources, had been captured by the Mumbai police, but then later let off. So yes, questions are being raised there. Why were they let off when they were caught in presence of narcotic substances, with presence of banned drugs? So yes, all of these questions need to be answered now. But yes, 20 names coming out.
So 20 names coming out, that is what Aishwarya is getting us, that latest bit of information. And it seems that the racket is spreading far and beyond Aishwarya. Even names from the Bollywood industry is now coming forth. And it could go beyond Mumbai itself. Of what we know of the drug peddler Gaurav Arya and his presence somewhere there in Goa, this is something that could go beyond not just in Mumbai. Shantashri, if you want to take that question, because now if the NCB is probing the narcotics angle that is involved, and what we are getting to know in those 20 names, prominent names are involved in this, including some of them from the Bollywood and the TV industry. This seems to be getting bigger, not just will be excluded just to Mumbai, but will go beyond.
Yes, definitely. And this is a huge nexus that is going to be exposed now, and also the link to Sushant's death case. So clearly this is something which Narcotics Bureau will look into, and they are forming a team. They will be traveling from Delhi to Mumbai, and also wherever it takes place. The person who was mentioned in those 70 pages of WhatsApp chat that was accessed by Republic TV clearly shows that Gaurav Arya was the one who was peddling drugs to Ria, and Ria was someone who was handling the entire operation, whether it's talking about exchange of drugs from various places in Mumbai, or whether it's giving drugs to Sushant in his tea or in any other form or something, and talking to her CA constantly and thanking her that she has been able to give it to Sushant. So clearly these are the very important angles that are coming forward right now, and Narcotics Bureau will try their level best to bring about the best team possible to look across this entire nexus that is going to be exposed. And yes, this might be one of the reasons why Sushant Singh Rajput, when he got to know that this is the kind of nexus is happening, can be one of the reasons for his death as well. So all the angles that are being discovered right now will be thoroughly looked into by Narcotics Bureau, by CBI, and also Enforcement Directorate. A case which has so many angles, it's almost like exploded, and it's taking in its garb a lot of people who thought that they will get scot-free, but they are now facing their own true karma by doing whatever they had done so far. So yes, right now, outside CBI office, I can tell you that Shobhik Chakraborty is getting grilled. It's been few hours now, along with the cook Neeraj, and also the other people like Siddhant Pithani, the flatmate, and also Rajat Mewati. All those people are constantly being grilled. It remains to be seen that what exactly Shobhik is being asked, whether it's the company that he had been the director with Ria. This particular company, Realytics, was named after Ria. That's what Ria had claimed in the PR interview that she had given to another channel by Sushant Singh Rajput. And also he will be asked about the financial angle, and definitely about the drug cartel angle and the homicide angle as well. So this is the biggest investigation that is being carried out on several layers by 3 different agencies, and it remains to be seen what exactly comes out of this investigation. So yes, this is what is happening right now. Republic TV will definitely keep you ahead on every lead in this investigation, as it has always been from the first day onwards.
Absolutely. Republic is keeping our viewers ahead on the every scoop that we are picking up. And now the NCB will be questioning nearly 20 suspects for drugs in Sushant Singh Rajput case, including drug peddler Gaurav Arya. And we're getting to know that the team will be leaving for Mumbai tomorrow from Delhi. And soon after joining the Sushant Singh Rajput death probe, the NCB, which is the Narcotics Control Bureau, has registered cases under sections 20, 27 and 29 of the NDPS Act. These sections contain to criminal conspiracy in procuring and consuming illegal drugs, and what the NCB is now investigating upon is a syndicated drug network that may go beyond Mumbai now. Thanks very much, Shanta.